Hey everybody, thank you for joining today's demonstration, and we're going to be looking at Arkestro's Predictive Procurement Orchestration platform. And for many that's a new term, and so what I want to do today is focus on what that means to the procurement orgs that you're all a part of, and what that means for Arkestro, what we're trying to do to define a new approach to managing things like negotiating with suppliers and trying to tackle some of the challenges of procurement teams today, namely that of time and scale. I don't have to tell any of you that there's never enough time and there's never enough help to get things done and to apply the type of strategy that you'd like to across all areas of spend. And that's precisely what we think predictive procurement orchestration is. It's using behavioral science and game theory to tackle the challenges of time and scale. So let's talk about that for a minute. I think it's always interesting to start with a question, and so I want to highlight what behavioral science is and talk about how we use this within the context of a procurement engagement. So I'll just ask a question here. Do you think there are more words in the English language that start with the letter K? Or B, more words in the English language that have K as the third letter? Well, the answer is actually B, that more words in English have K as the third letter. And this is an example here of ability heuristic. And why this is the case is because for a lot of people, they would have answered A. And that's because the question is easier to answer when you can actually think of examples. And since it's more readily available in our minds, therefore it informs the decisions we make. And that's just one example of many different biases or cognitive approaches to decisioning. And so what we want to do is try to take advantage of some of these characteristics and bring them into the context of a negotiation. So we'll be seeing how we do that within a procurement engagement. And